In this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to the Cash App. If you guys want to get started with Pocket Option, you can use the links down in the description. Withdrawing money from the Pocket Option is a straightforward process. First, head to the official website of Pocket Option and log in or sign up with your credentials. If somehow you have forgotten your passcode, click the link that says Forgot Password. Once you've successfully logged in, head towards the final section on the left-hand side. Upon click, select the withdrawal option placed in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you click, you'll be directed to the withdrawal page where you request your withdrawal. Now select the withdrawal method you're most convenient with. It provides different getaways like bank transfer, Cash App, Visa, and e-payments wallets. Now fill in the details like the amount to cash out, along with your payments getaways details. Once you're done filling in the information, click the withdraw button. The broker will evaluate your withdrawal request. Once it's granted, you'll be notified by email. You can affirm it by checking your account credited with the fund. The payment getaway you choose for your withdrawal has its own processing time. The minimum amount that you can withdraw from the Pocket Option is $10. Also, if you draw an amount lower number, then you may be charged free. So that's how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to the Cash App. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Pocket Option. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.